Hello everyone. Today we are starting a project that actually came off a problem that we had in our very own lab. So we tried to drill some holes in these aluminum pulleys for some project that we had. It was a linear actuator with a belt. We tried multiple pulleys and we failed. The main reason was the drilling machine that we had here, it works with a constant speed at thousands of RPM and it's not changeable. So we had to drill those fine holes with crazy speed and we were failing. So it was always a difficult problem to solve, to have them centered in the real place that we wanted, and we failed to do that. So we decided to make a drilling machine ourselves in a way that you can tune the speed, you can tune the torque, and of course you want to use solo to solve all those problems. So please follow our channel. Thank you so much.
So today we're going to explore the problem of drilling of this pulley with the inner diameter is 5 mm. The depth of the pulley is 17 something, which actually doesn't matter. This is the motor that we have. The shaft diameter is 9.5. So we need to drill a hole here to be able to mount this pulley on this shaft. A typical problem in the workshop. These are the drill bits with the step 0.5 mm. So the idea to start from something like 5.5, then 6.5, 7.5, and then reach 9.5 mm diameter. This is the drill, the one we just bought from the shop. I guess it could be even supermarket drill. It's just the hold button and no speed control or just the launch button. The more we push, the more is the rotational speed, and the hold button helps us to drill on the highest speed. Vises we're going to use for this application. So there is a notch here, especially for some circular objects. Okay. And this is the drill guide that we're going to use. We just bought it from Amazon. I will leave the link for the shop in the description of the video. So let's try what we'll have as a result. So this is the result. As you see, the hole is not exactly in the center, and I will show you how it works for the linear actuator.